Good afternoon, Sherry here, and I know that I'm missing some of my eye makeup and everything, but I'm going to just show you one of the holiday looks. You know, this hunter green is going to be really, really big this year for the holidays. And my daughter in Lawrenceburg picked this out for me, and she just thought this was me. So thank you, Andrea, for doing that for me. So anyway, I just want to share with you the look that I want to put with this. And I'm going to be using the magic wand, the magic wands. And I'm going to be using these three colors. I went ahead and put my eyeliner on to save time on top, and some base of light eyeshadow, which is what I always use to bring my eyes out on my lid. If you have deep set eyes or hooded eyes, that is the best color to use, is to use I use Moonstone on my lid. So I took the time to go ahead and do my eyebrows and my face and everything except for my eyes. So I'm just going to show you my look, but I'm going to be using these three colors, these magic wands here. They're liquid eyeshadows that dry to a matte, and they are gorgeous. So I'm going to be showing these with our green eyeliner, our new emerald green, emerald green eyeshadow, liner, okay? So see, it matches my outfit really good. So I'm going to show you this look. I am pairing this green with some iridescent earrings that will pick up the colors, and bracelet, and some black velvet pants for the holidays. So this is going to be one of my holiday dinner parties or Christmas parties to go to. I'm going to be wearing something like this. So anyway, these are the colors that I'm going to be using. Now there's several different looks in our book, in our lookbook, and you can just follow those looks. I'm just going to do my version of what I would do with this. So I'm going to start with the lightest color eyeshadow that we have, the liquid eyeshadow. And I can look in the book and tell you what. Anyway, I am going to go ahead and put some of this on. It's a light color, very pretty. And I'm putting this on my lid. You see that? Okay. And I will tell you what color this is. It is the, let's see. Well, I don't know. But anyway, it's the lightest in our new liquid. So if you want to order this, I will have this. Okay, the next color is a little bit darker that I'm going to put on. In my crease and bring it upward. You know, an upward lift to your eyes always gives a great look for you. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that with my eyeshadow brush, my smudge brush. Find it. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and blend that, so you don't see any harsh lines before it gets really good and dry. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and I'm going to go back on the other lid and do the same. And blend it upward. Always blend upward. It gives a lift to your eyes when you blend and go upward. It will give that lifting of your eyes to make you look younger and more youthful. Okay, now I'm going to go back with our green emerald color, and I am going to apply this in the corners and bring it in. Give it a lift in the corners. Same thing over here. And give a lift to the corners. Looks like a blob right now, but I'm going to blend it. little much right there. Now I'm going to take it, I'm going to blend it in really good. Bring it up into the other color and blend that in. See the difference? Blend this in. I've never worn much green, but I really do like these colors. Give a lift. To your eye. I'm going to do just a little more in this corner. You see, it's okay to mess up. That's what we got Q-tips for. Now I'm going to blend it. Bring it up in the corner. For a beautiful look there. See how pretty that is? Now I don't wear this just all over my eye, but you do it as an accent color. And now I'm going to add the emerald green liner. And I'm going to bring it mainly into the corners and up to blend in with that eyeshadow. So if you have something that you're going to wear in velvet or sequins, because sequins are the big thing this holiday. Sequins are the big thing. So if you have something that you want to wear these emerald colors with, it'd be great. Also, furry's in really, really big this year. Anything furry is going to be the bomb, okay? So anyway, you want to make sure that you update your glamour look. And I'm going to have more glamour looks to follow. So stay tuned. I will be doing that. So I hope you like this look. I've already contoured, highlighted my face, put my lip color on, and I just want to add just a little more lip color. What do you think? Do y'all like this look? Also wear some dangly earrings, are very sexy, and try to either match your pants or your top if you can. And these, like I said, these are iridescent. They blend with it, but probably I would wear black rhinestone earrings or something with my black velvet or my black sequin pants. Okay. So, more looks to follow. I will be coming with you live again to show some more holiday looks with some more holiday outfits. So, you have an absolutely fantastic day. And if you want these colors, personal message me. And I will tell you that I do wear Panorama mascara. I love this mascara. It is just, makes my lashes pop. And I do use a lash serum in case someone's interested in growing your lashes. I won't tell you that product, but if you personal message me and ask me what it is, I will be glad to send you the info about that. So what do you think about my look? You like it? Okay. Well, you have a great day. I love you.